In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the child door lock feature on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process, only takes 10 seconds. So open up the left side door, and when you open the door, you see that slot right there? That's where you engage and disengage the child door lock from. So get your car key and just put the key in there and twist it left for the left side door. Same direction as the arrow. That's it. You've engaged the child door lock. Let's go inside the car and try it out. See, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside now. Let's disengage the lock now. Put the key in, twist it right. Done. Now let's go and try and open the door. See, now I can open the door. Same process on the right side. Let me show you. Right there, that's the slot. Get your key. This time around, in order to engage it, you have to twist it right, the direction of the arrow. It's engaged now. Let's try it out. I cannot open the door from inside. Alright, let's disengage it. And let's go try it out now. I can open it now. That's pretty much it.